Hi, this is Dr. Natalie Ledbetter, and today I'm going to be talking about PEMF. You may have heard of PEMF recently. That stands for Pulsed Electromagnetic Field. And NASA has been using this technology to prevent muscle atrophy and bone wasting in the astronauts. But not only has this technology been used more recently in the space age, but also it was used thousands of years ago in Chinese medicine. Those darn smart Chinese medicine doctors. It was used by placing magnetic stones on different parts of the body to facilitate healing. And this was recorded over thousands of years ago in the Yellow Emperor's Book of Internal Medicine. So PEMF is using electromagnetic waves released from a device in brief bursts and at very low frequencies, like the frequencies that are emitted by the Earth. This acts to stimulate and support the body's natural healing processes. Now, Dr. Jerry Tennant, in his really awesome book called Healing is Voltage, describes how PEMF works. So the voltage of healthy cells needs to be around about 22 to 25 millivolts. And we start to get sick when that voltage drops below about 15 millivolts or less. And once our cells' voltage drops to that level, they're unable to heal and they become dysfunctional. And by inducing small electromagnetic currents into our damaged cells, the PEMF therapy slows or stops the release of pain and inflammatory mediators, increases blood flow to the cells, and reestablishes normal cellular interaction. And with reduced inflammation, pain decreases, energy levels increase, and faster tissue healing occurs. And Dr. Tennant also states that for cells to heal, they need to reach about 50 millivolts of current, and PEMF helps to support the cells in returning to this. So voltage is really important to our cells because we use cellular pumps, and the cellular pumps will pump out waste and they will pump in the things that the cells need. And just like a pump in our car or in other places, the energy is needed to run those pumps, and so voltage helps to run that. So these pumps require that energy, and they usually get their energy from ATP and then also from the transmembrane potential. So the difference in voltage on the outside of the cell versus the inside of the cell. And when that transmembrane potential decreases, when the difference is not enough, then things don't tend to flow across the cell membrane like they should, and then things stop working. So Earth-based energies, PEMF energies, feed cellular metabolism, and they recharge the batteries, shall we say. They recharge the way the cells store energy or voltage across the membrane and ATP. So using PEMF with Earth-based frequencies is like using tiny microscopic jumper cables to give our cells a little jump them, give them that little spark of energy that they need so that they have the energy to heal and perform their duties correctly. So historically, humans got all the PEMF that we needed by living outside or being outside all the time. Well, that's no longer the case. One is that the Earth's magnetic field has changed, it's decreased. And another thing is that people don't spend very much time outside anymore, and we spend a lot of time inside of structures that are shielded from these unnatural electromagnetic waves and frequencies that are beneficial to us and actually are just as necessary for our bodies as water and food and oxygen. So also, not only are we not getting enough of these good earth-based PEMFs, but we're also getting exposed to a lot of really bad ones from cell phone towers, Wi-Fi, TV, computers, 5G, all sorts of things, microwaves, hair dryers. So it's now more important than ever to try to get some of these healthy electromagnetic fields. So go outside, walk barefoot, walk in the grass, dig your toes in the dirt. Try to get some of that natural electromagnetic field, some of the Earth's energy into your body. But what's even better, since of the fact that the Earth's electromagnetic field, the magnetic field has decreased, is to use PEMF therapy. So PEMF devices are available at some doctor's offices, at some alternative health practitioners. You can purchase them online. We have one. If you're interested in which type of PEMF device we use, I would be really happy to tell you which ones we've looked into and which ones Dr. Ledbetter and I think are beneficial. So, some of the proven benefits of PEMF therapy include decreased inflammation, decreased pain, increased blood flow to your cells, reestablished normal cellular interaction, increased energy, increased healing, better brain function, better immune system function, and improved quality of the sleep. So, anyway, that's a lot of really great reasons to explore PEMF therapy. Hope that was helpful to you guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.